welcome guys, welcome to another video. We are back. Yeah, we're back with another video, and I'm very excited to film this video. As you may have know by the title, guys, we have Boxycharm in Suriname. I got my first Boxycharm, guys. My very first Boxycharm. Yeah, finally, because I've been trying for so long and no one could actually get me the box in Suriname. But it finally happened. It finally worked, and I'm very thankful to Flawless Beauty and More, because she's the one who actually ordered my Boxycharm for me. So if you also want a Boxycharm, check her out. She will do it for you. She will do the thing. Let's talk about this, guys. I'm so excited. And yes, I received the June box, because yeah, that's when I subscribed. So I received the June box, and I will be unboxing it for you guys. It won't be a try on. I will film another video with products from the Boxycharm, maybe trying new products, first impressions or something like that. But for now, we are going to talk about Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, as you all may know. It's a monthly subscription box, and you pay amount of, for USA and Canada residents, it's something like $21. But obviously, because we stay in Suriname, it will be a little bit more, something like, I think it will be 30 something dollars, not more than $35. The amount of all the products in the box will exceed the price you paid for the box, or you will be paying monthly for the box. So obviously it's more than you paid. So for example, you pay $35 for the box, and the products in the box together have a total worth of $115. So if we exchange it to or Surinamese dollars, it will be something, the $35 can maybe something like max 300 and Surinamese dollars, and the products, the total amount of the products will be maybe 850 Surinamese dollars. So it is a steal. And I'm so happy it's possible to get your Boxycharm in Suriname. So I really wanted to film this video. The products in the box are from well-known brands. Some of them are upcoming brands, and the products are always high-end. Like, the prices are, they are not cheap. Okay, they are not cheap. So yeah, that's basically it. I will also leave the link from Boxycharm. I will insert the link of Boxycharm in my description box, so you can check it out. You can do your thing. And if you want to order a Boxycharm, be on time, and you can order, you can contact Flawless Beauty and More to order your Boxycharm. And guys, I'm not promoting because I got sponsored or something like that. I'm just excited because I got my Boxycharm. She made it possible for me to get my Boxycharm. Okay, so that's why. For now, we will go and unbox this baby. Zo ziet het eruit. Je krijgt ook een kaartje erbij. You get a little card with the products on a list of products that the box contains. Oh shit. Sharon. I received the Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette, and the palette retails for $36. Tarte palette, guys. Look. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging of it. So guys, this is what the palette looks like. Guys, and it smells like chocolate. Then I have the Touch and Sol No Problem Prime Essence. That's this one right here. This is it, and it's actually it's a no problem prime. It's actually very liquidy. See, it has a cool smell to it. It doesn't smell. Then we have the Dominic Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, and this retails for $17. This is how it looks. It's a little, it smells like candy. Darn good. It smells darn good. We have a Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. This one retails for $25, guys. The last one is the Dirty Little Secret Lip Liner. This one retails for $15. It's a beautiful shade, but maybe not really for my skin tone. That's what I got in my box, my first Boxycharm, and I'm so happy. Ik ben heel blij dat het mogelijk is om je Boxycharm nu in Suriname te krijgen, guys. Ik ben echt blij. Check jullie dat. Ik ga alle informatie in mijn description box laten. Ja, en dat was mijn video voor vandaag. Verder wil ik zeggen, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, because guys, I have more content coming and I want to upgrade for sure, because I know this isn't the best quality, but bear with me. And share ook, jullie mogen die video share. Don't forget to connect on my socials, all my socials, my Facebook, my Instagram. I have a Facebook account and a Facebook page, but please like my Facebook page because I have already exceeded the limit of accepting friends. So I have a Facebook page where I post regularly. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm thankful to you guys. Also to my new subscribers, welcome. Dankjewel voor het kijken. Thank you for watching. Until the next time. Verder wil ik ook nog zeggen, wat wil ik nog zeggen? Oké.